I hope you all banked really hard and made a boatload of money today on BNGO stock because we finished on a very strong note, just shy of the target that we were speaking about yesterday of $8. We were 80 cents from that target, and we finished at the high of the day, meaning that we didn't hit any resistance. Also, there wasn't very much of volatility today in this stock, and I can just summarize it by one phrase. What do we say to the god of shorts? Not today. Yeah. The volume was also insane. We had 550 million shares that were traded, and it's just insane. And we also had pretty important news that was unexpected. There was a publication published that BNGO product was used to map the genome of autism, and that it can help to fight and find this disease also in the future. That is quite breathtaking because such feats were not done till now on a massive scale, but this product allows it to be, because of the cheaper side of the cheaper product, it can be used on much larger population, and thus helping identify this disease on a much larger scale and help finding the cure in the future. Now, if we look at the stock and the stock price action, we can see that for today we got one big fat long green candle, but we have some gaps between today and yesterday, and I'm a little concerned about that because every stock price action is like a rubber band. You can stretch it, but sooner or later it's gonna come back. And the same is with sell downs. If you have too big of a sell down, the rubber band will snap back and cause upward movement. So if the stock starts to sell off, I'm expecting it will retrace about 50% of its recent run to about $3.50 to $4 in the short term before continuing higher in the long term. I would be very much intrigued. What do you think it will happen tomorrow? Will it continue to rise, or do you think it will sell off? Let me know down in the comments. Now, if we see the action in after hours, we see that the stock has sold off a little bit, but there is not much volume. We can see it went down about 10%, but it is already gaining back momentum and it's clawing back. So if we see tomorrow a strong day with the indexes pushing much higher in the green, we could see new highs in this stock, because like I said before, we finished at the high of the day. It doesn't seem like there is any resistance upward of that price, so it can continue higher because it doesn't seem like we have hit the resistance yet. But like I said, it can also sell off very, very hard. So be careful. Be careful and only play with money that you are ready to lose, because we have run so much in such a short time that it is bound to snap back like a rubber band. So I'm very, very, very cautious at this moment, and I'm looking very intriguingly what will happen tomorrow. So I hope you will have a nice afternoon and night, and let's see what happens tomorrow. Will we go up or will we go down? If we go up, I think the next target is $10, because $10 is a strong psychological resistance, and that one will be very hard to break. So let's see if we can hit tomorrow the $10 mark, or if we will sell off to $4. Bye.